Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Elementor for UI-focused page builder workflows step by step clearly. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Elementor plugins section. If Elementor is not installed, click on the Add New button. Search for Elementor in the plugin repository. Click the Install Now button next to Elementor Page Builder. Once installed, activate the plugin by clicking the Activate button. Now, locate the Templates section in your WordPress dashboard. Select Add New to create a new template. Choose the template type you want to create, such as a section or a page. Give your template a name and click Create Template. This will open the Elementor editor. On the left sidebar, you'll find various widgets. Drag and drop widgets onto your page as needed. For UI-focused designs, prioritize the use of headings, images, and text editors. Customize each widget by clicking on it and using the Settings panel. Adjust padding and margins to create a visually appealing layout. Use the responsive mode to ensure your design looks good on all devices. Preview the changes by clicking the eye icon at the bottom of the panel. Once you are satisfied with the design, click the Publish button. After publishing, exit the Elementor editor. Return to the Pages section of your dashboard to view your new template. To use your template, create a new page or edit an existing one. Click on the Edit with Elementor button. Within the Elementor editor, select the folder icon to access your saved templates. Insert your desired template into the page. Make any final adjustments to the layout and content. When everything looks good, click the Update button to save your changes. Your page is now live with the newly designed UI-focused template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.